Everyone knows that Mr. Goyal needed money for this deal. He had to sell a diamond to fulfill his requirement. I was wondering how come Mr. Goyal is short of funds. So I actually checked his transaction details. This is the diamond, and here are the details of its sale. Awadh's Nawab was the owner of this diamond, so he gifted it to his third wife.
Oh, hold on. What is the connection between the airline deal and this diamond? What is the connection between these two?
Exactly.
There is a connection, sir. Mr. Goyal had brought this diamond in London 3 years ago.
Siddhant, we are not discussing about this diamond or the transaction made by Goyal.
Let him finish.
The interesting part is that the price of this diamond was worth 400 crores, but its selling price was 50 crores only. I'm sorry, I'm weak in mathematics. So, how much is the difference?
350 crore.
Right. So, why did Mr. Goyal incur a loss of 350 crores? All we needed to find out was that who bought this diamond this time. Don't shy away. Let us see. A beautiful diamond in the beautiful finger of your beautiful hand. It's looking good. It wouldn't have looked so pretty in someone else's hand. Am I right? Ladies and gentlemen, the diamond of Awadh's Nawab. Well, the diamond belongs to Mr. Goyal. He bought it, he sold it, incurring the loss of 3.5 million. You all are intelligent enough. I am naive. I'm still trying to learn. I'll take your leave, Mr. KK. Once again, I apologize for interrupting in your meeting. Sorry. I just barged in. Mr. Rao, I had an important work.
It's okay. Siddhant dear, you shouldn't have lied mentioning Miss Anushka like this. Why did you say that she fell down?
Who else should I have mentioned?
How did you think of giving me a treat suddenly?
They were accusing my dad. There is only one thing which he has. Honesty. Till date, we never questioned him. Then how can you question him?
I did not question him, Siddhant. I never think about questioning anything at all.
I'm not talking about you, Mr. Sweetie. Those sharks. I taught them a proper lesson. The allegation they made on my father, I proved it false.
Very good. Very good.
And that's why I thought I should give you a treat.
May everyone have a good son like you. Keep serving your father and keep giving me treats.
No. You shouldn't serve someone so much. Otherwise, they will get spoiled.
I'll be back.
One more for me. Hey, Mr. Khattar.
Stop this drama. You didn't show respect to me when you should have. Now you're hugging me?
What happened, Mr. Khattar? Why are you so upset?
Hey, move aside. You want to know? You want to know why I'm upset?
Yes.
The other day in court you lied and defeated me. What did you think? Do you think I wouldn't find out?
Oh, let's discuss these issues in the court. We are in a bar. And I'm giving a party to celebrate my father's victory.
Oh.
Please join us. Please,
What
please.
to heck
please.
with you? Trying to be an obedient son. Hey, shall I tell you something? Just like you are shrewd, in the same way your father too is shrewd.
How dare you?
Siddhant, what are you doing? What are you doing, Siddhant? Leave him.
Hey, sit down, sit down. It's just a petty misunderstanding. Sit down. It's okay.
Just go now.
Sit. So, what were you saying?
What was I saying? Yes. I was saying that this trait of cleverness that you have inherited, it is in your DNA that comes from your father. Understood? From your father. He left his legal practice and became a sidekick of a rich man. Come on, move.
Hey! I don't spare the people, those who accuse my father.
Get lost. Hey, listen to me carefully.
Siddhant,
The truth is always bitter, Siddhant. The truth is always bitter. What do you think? What does your father do? He works for KK Reddy.
I won't spare you.
Siddhant.
He doesn't know me. I am Khattar.
My dad works with KK Reddy because they are friends. People like you are jealous of successful people. You couldn't be successful. That's why you feel jealous of them. You enjoy humiliating successful people.
है तुझसे वास्ता बस गैर सारा जहां तू मिले बस तू